So the fifth question asks about the sarcomere and how it works and what it does and everything. So I'm gonna draw it on paper. So it's gonna give me like their functions and everything. So here's the piece of paper I'm gonna draw it on. And they have the Z disc, the I zone. I mean not the I zone, the I band, the H zone, and trying. Okay, here it goes, and then I'm gonna draw here. So I'm drawing right now. Also has the myosin thick filament and the thin filament. So the I band, the A band, the I band, and then H zone. So it also has the Z disc that I talked about and the myosin. So it's gonna look like this. I still have it. Okay, the other dots. And the myosin talks about its functions, and it is about, so the thick element contains myosin, and this regulates muscle contraction, and thin filament contains actin, if I'm saying it right, and the Z disc functions as a, just defines the lines of the sarcomere and where they are. So I put it right over here. So like, let's see, I band is part of the sarcomere, but it's part of the thin filaments. So right over here and over here on both sides, and then we have the A band, and the A band functions as an overlap, and it's overlapping the thick filaments. And the H zone is the overlap of having no thick or thin lines in between, so it's mostly focused on the thin, I mean the thick filaments only. And so the myosin can, its cross bridges can pull in, and it could pull in the thin filaments of the sarcomere. So this is where they are, and this is because they're so far that the ends can overlap. So as the Z lines go inward, the Z disc becomes shorter, and the sarcomere shortens. But this does not affect the thick and thin elements. It's only the sarcomere that does.